Dear ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to our webinar. Sawadika, warm welcome to our webinar about sunny Thailand. My name is Ksenia Korzun. I'm a general manager of ILP Group, ILP Expo and ILP Concierge Service. And today we are going to talk about Bangkok real estate market, also clients from Thailand, high net worth individuals from Thailand and agents. We're going to discuss about how to sell international real estate properties in Thailand, how to close the deal with agents, how to work with local agents, and also a moment. Also to describe what kind of real estate is actually popular in Thailand and what kind of requests we have, because we are preparing for our next event in Thailand on 27 and 28 February. So I'm going to guide you through the process of what kind of requests we currently have, and we will try to match with your project. Is it interesting to sell them there? So what I want to ask you from the very beginning is to write in the chat if you're watching on Big Market, it's Big Marker, or it's on the right hand, it's a chat. You can write which country you represent, so that I will see and I will tell you if we have requests from these countries and if in general real estate from these countries is interested, and is it interesting to sell citizenship by investment and residency by investment program from these countries. So please tell me which country you represent. If you're watching on YouTube, there is also chat available. Please indicate the countries you represent there and I will answer. Also, please feel free to put any questions during the webinar. You will see some data, facts and figures, so if you have any questions and you will request more information, please feel free to put your question. I will try to answer all of them during the webinar. Otherwise, I will contact you with more data afterwards. We actually have a lot of analytics, because regularly when we prepare an event on the market, we prepare a lot of analytics about needs and demands of our clients, so we know actually what Thai clients are looking for, what kind of requests they have, what kind of real estate they're interested in, what kind of citizenship programs they're looking for. So I will be happy to share all the data with you, and I know that our exhibitors who already joined us for this event are watching, so that I will guide you through with some tips about how to prepare in the best way to our event to close the deal there and afterwards. So let's start from the basic overview of Thailand market. Actually, what I wanted to start with, that Thailand is overshadowed by close China and India. Regularly, all the real estate developers and immigration professionals are trying to enter these two markets, China and India, a little bit Vietnam. Thailand is not that popular, so I don't see so much interest to this market. And however, Thailand is one of the hugest markets for real estate sales, and we see that they are investing a lot. They favor UK because UK is active on that market and they market real estate, and it's a historical cooperation between Thailand and the UK. A local currency, Thai baht, is actually kind of very strong currency, and a local economy is strong enough, and you can find a lot of high net worth individuals in Thailand. So unlike India, where you will have a significant difference between majority of citizens, poor nationals, and very few high net worth individuals. In Thailand, you will find more clients for luxury real estate, for international luxury real estate, and this is really a big market for real estate. So you can see on the screen some numbers of Asian billionaires, millionaires, and how many investments they are doing. Actually, it's common to think about Singapore and Malaysia. However, Thai, they hold a big place in investments into foreign businesses. They establish foreign companies, they open foreign bank accounts, they also do invest in huge real estate projects. So if you will go into international real estate transactions, you will really see that Thai entrepreneurs play a significant role there. There is a growth of high net worth individuals in Asia. And Thailand holds, you can see that it's second place after Indonesia in growth of high net worth individuals' wealth. So we see that during past 3 years, Thai nationals, high net worth individuals from Thailand, they multiply their assets and they earn more because local Thai economy is strong enough, and there is a different field of businesses and they succeed in it. So why I'm telling this, because when you go to Thailand, it's regularly all your clients would like to start businesses abroad, would like to relocate, would like to change their country. In Thailand, it's not like that. They actually love their country, they are happy with their citizenship, and they are well established and successful in their country. So when they are considering foreign real estate investments, they are first of all considering investment opportunities in terms of future income, yield, and how they will sell this real estate in the years to come. It's less about buying a second home for themselves, because inside Thailand they have enough beaches and islands and nice places to buy a villa for themselves. So I know that we have a lot of Cyprus developers watching this webinar, and I know you have so beautiful villas and nice apartments, but also you have nice commercial real estate with a high rental income and with good yield. So I would suggest that you will represent this real estate in Thailand, because they will ask you about how much they will earn on rentals and on selling this real estate in a few years. So please focus on commercial real estate rather than residential one. Besides, Thai clients are looking for a very stable political and economic situation in the country. So they favor countries with a historical calm and peaceful investment climate, when nothing is going on in the country, when everything is stable and fine. So Germany, Switzerland, Austria, UK, France are a first choice, I would say. However, we see that they are interested in Malta, Cyprus, Portugal, France, Greece a bit. And they would like to learn more about other countries. But if you are representing a country which is not yet well established in Thailand, please prepare all the data about your country and about how interesting is to invest in your country itself, because they will compare countries as well, not only projects inside your countries. Also, unlike China and India, it is easy for them to transfer money from Thailand. So if you are facing, I know that you are facing these issues when you have clients from China and India, they already selected the project, then it comes a problem that they couldn't transfer money from their bank account, local bank account, to your country, and you get stuck in this stage. In Thailand, it's not an issue at all. So they can easily buy real estate, they can easily pay for it. You just have to convince them to invest in your project, and that's what we're going to help you with. Again, I would like to show that Thailand holds a significant position between world ultra high net worth individuals with worth more than $50 million, and you see Thailand is there. So I'm telling this because most of our clients, international developers and immigration companies, they are regularly not considering Thailand. It's not in the list. So most of you are focusing on Russia and CIS, India, China, a little bit of Arabian countries and new markets such as Vietnam. However, I would strongly recommend you to focus on Thailand. We did our research for recent years. We spoke to a lot of agents. We also have a project called SPIN, System for Professional Immigration Networking, where we have agents from Thailand and we see the requests from Thai individuals to this system. We see what kind of requests they have. It is always huge bills, so it's not like small transactions, so you can really close big deals there. and I would definitely recommend you to study this market more, and the opportunity to enter this market, you can, so what we ILP group can offer you, you can either come to in February to our event in Bangkok to meet high net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals and good agents, immigration and real estate agents, bankers, financial consultancies, family offices, to establish a connection between you. And you can connect to SPIN, our system of for professional immigration networking, become a member of SPIN and benefit from direct inquiries from clients from Thailand, as well as connecting to agents and selecting best agents for you and starting cooperation with them. So this is two ways we suggest you to go in. By the way, if I'm already talking about SPIN, starting from February, we will have a gift for all SPIN members, new SPIN members who will join us. We established a partnership with Investment Migration Council, and they have a certification training program. So those of you who will join SPIN in the nearest time, you will get as a present, as a gift, this certification program from Investment Migration Program. Council, sorry. So please contact me, my team, and you can make a general inquiry on the website to learn more about this. We'll be happy to assist. Okay, we talked a bit about real estate. Now we are heading to the passport because we received a number of questions. Will actually immigration programs and immigration residency and citizenship by investment program be of interest for Thai nationals? Regularly, Thai clients, they are happy with their citizenship. They don't want to relocate. However, they are interested in possibilities which other passports are opening for them. It's a free travel, it's education for their children, it's an access to European banks, it's all the medical facilities, so all the benefits other countries may offer, but they are most likely will not relocate because they're happy to stay in their country. So when you will market your immigration and citizenship by investment programs in Thailand, I would recommend that you will focus on not that your country is beautiful and good nature and climate because they have it in their own country, but on the strength of your passport and on the benefits your passport and residency gives to them. So you can make like a list of 5, 6, 10 points what actually your country can offer, and start with this, and in this way you can make them more interested. On the slide you see on the screen, we prepared some information about passport strength in Asia, because in our event in Bangkok we will have not only Thailand, not only visitors from Thailand but from local countries as well. So you will meet also high net worth individuals and agents from Indonesia, maybe Cambodia, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia. So you will understand what kind of passports they are holding currently and what they are interested in. I'm sure you will not be on time to read all the information we have here, but we will be happy to send you the presentation afterwards. Please let us know if you're interested in more data. You can write in the chat and we will send you all the information to prepare. So for immigration professionals, we definitely recommend you to join and to describe the benefits of your country for those who doesn't want to relocate. So focus on this, and then you will be succeed. Actually, we have inquiries. To be honest, we have more inquiries for real estate. For this event in Bangkok, we have inquiries on real estate. Actually, like 73% of visitors are coming to buy properties abroad, but still there is an interest about citizenship by investment and residency by investment programs, and guests would like to figure out what kind of opportunities they have, what these passports may offer to them, especially offer to them as a businessman, because first of all, these people are successful in their own country as a successful businessman, and they are willing to know what kind of opportunities your passport may bring to them. I see that we have some countries listed in the chat, and I would like to go one by one about my suggestions to companies from these countries. So first of all, Cyprus. I know we have a lot of Cyprus developers participating, and I know two developers are very successful on Thailand market and sell a lot of real estate. I would suggest to market Cyprus as a gateway to European Union, because Cyprus itself is a country is not so much well known in Thailand, but as a gateway, as the shortest path to get European Union citizenship and to buy real estate, which you can sell after a few years. And commercial real estate with good yield. This is the approach and the market strength I would recommend you to use in Thailand. And we do have inquiries for Cyprus, so I will be happy to connect you to visitors interested in Cyprus already, and especially if you have projects with nice investment opportunity with good income rental return, with good yield, and which can be easily sold after a few years. That is of interest. Okay, then we have Spain. Spain again, we have hotels. Also, I forgot to say that in our event in Bangkok, we will have a separate event inside the event for hotel investment. So during our conference on the first day, we will have ultra high net worth individuals interested in investment in foreign hotels, so acquiring foreign hotels abroad. This is what ILP Concierge is specialized on. On Thailand market, what we see is that local tourism market nowadays, it's a local crisis because it's a small shortage of tourists coming to Thailand, but there are so many hotels built and they are not occupied well. So local Thai hotel investors are now in the process of buying hotels abroad in other countries, in countries where it's good ADR, average daily rate, where it's a good occupancy rate, where it's a good RevPAR, so where hotel market is feeling well. And when I see Spain, I first think that you can market hotels, because you have in Spain, you have one of the highest RevPAR in Europe, you have good occupancy rate in big cities, you have in most hotels high average daily rate. So if you have hotels in your portfolio, this is a place to show them, because it's a lot of hotel investors in Thailand, as tourism is one of the main economic sector in Thailand. A lot of high-net-worth individuals own their own hotels and they would like to invest in hotels abroad. A part of hotels, commercial real estate, office building, and if it's a villa or it's apartment. I don't know about holiday home, because I already said that in Thailand they have their own beautiful homes based just with a nice sea view. However, if it's it's a holiday property, but if it's maybe considered as holiday rental, or it may be considered as properties to sell with a good return after a few years, it will be also interesting for them. As for the US is very interested in case of passport program. So I know that a lot of regional centers are now entering Thailand market, and there are successful cases for Thai nationals with EB5, and this is continuing to be interesting. So if you represent EB5, you're very welcome. For income generating real estate from the US, because it's a good and well-established market, and it's also very well known. So I definitely recommend developers and immigration professionals from the US explore this market and show your projects on real estate to our clients. UK, actually, it's #1 market. So any company from the UK representing real estate and immigration program will succeed definitely, because it's historical, huge interest from Thailand to UK, and it's both, even it's as a second home. So Thai nationals like to buy apartment villas and homes for themselves, and as well as invest in commercial real estate. So if you're from the UK, you're very welcomed, and we will be happy to offer you participation in our event. Let's move on to how can we cooperate with you, how can we help you to close the deal in Thailand. What I will recommend, if you're already participating in our event, there is an issue with language. Most of Thai people, they speak English, but it's much more convenient for them to speak their local Thai language. So we would recommend you to have a translator. We will help you with that. Please make an inquiry and we will help you to have a translator on your workplace during the exhibition and during the conference day, so you can easily communicate with clients. With a translator, it will ease your communication. Also, how to work with agents. We will have the best real estate and immigration professionals from the country visiting our exhibition, and unlike other countries, Thai agents, they don't want to be in the rush. So what I would recommend is not to push them so much to close the deal and to enter into the contact with you right away, here and now. Just give them some time to explore your company, to explore your country, deliver the most valuable information to them, and just give them some time to read it, to get acquainted, and to figure out what value you can bring to them. Also, with local agents in Thailand, there are a lot of international companies represented there with their offices, and the business culture in Thailand is on a high level. So, for example, if you visit our event in Mumbai, or if you have been in Vietnam, it's like a wild west because there are not so much professionals, real professionals in the sphere. However, in Thailand, you will see that the market is huge, and there are a lot of real estate professionals and wealth managers and lawyers and financial advisors. So you will have an audience to work with. You just have to deliver information about your project and make sure it is like the best on the market. So if your product is good, you will have enough agents to sell it on the market. My also suggestion to you how to leverage your participation in events is to come a day before the event because of jet lag, and it's quite far from the countries you're coming from London, from New York, from Dubai, from Cyprus. It's really far, and when you're heading east, it's harder to get yourself feeling well after a long flight, and it is always an issue during our events because if you will not feel well, it will be very hard for you to communicate with clients. So please arrive a day before and take some rest to be prepared during the day events. So just mind the time difference. It's actually an important issue. Also, I would suggest that you prepare a short pitch, like 1 or 2 minutes, about your country, your product, about your difference from other competitors, and to be prepared to deliver the speech to, especially you can prepare the speech for Thailand, and it should be different than for other countries based on the information we discussed today. And if the speech will be interesting enough, our clients from Thailand and agents from Thailand, they are eager to get more information, so they will be interested in continue this conversation. So be sure that they are very communicative and friendly, and it's a land of smile. So you will be met with enthusiasm, and I believe you will have good communication experience in Thailand. We also make this event in February because it's a high season in Thailand, so all the business and tourism is moving on until April. So actually we, as we have a good presence in Thailand in our company, we know the best time and place, and we know how to get this audience. So just believe us, there is no other time to be in Thailand than that. So please join the event and we'll be happy to cooperate with you together. We already discussed clients' requests, their requests and agents. I will check the question. The UK or Tier 1 investor doesn't allow real estate investment. Yes, actually, when I'm saying about the UK, you cannot focus even on real estate, because UK is popular for residency and for citizenship and for establishing business abroad, and you can market it separately. So you can sell real estate, let's say in London, completely separately from investment, from residency and citizenship, and you can market residency and citizenship, business immigration, immigration by investment in completely different ways. So both are interesting, as UK, as you saw on the very first slide, UK is the #1 country of interest for Thai nationals. So whatever you have in the UK, like with a high value, it will be interested for Thai investors. And I know that we are running out of time because we promised to deliver all the information in 30 minutes. I am happy to give you a gift and thank you for joining us today and watching our webinar. We have a SPIN platform, and we are happy to present to every one of you watching us together 50% discount to join SPIN. So regular price is 3,800 euros. So 50% discount for each of you. With that access, you get all the agents we have worldwide, not only in Thailand. You get your own profile, and you will receive inquiries from direct clients and from agents all over the world. You can have direct contacts of best agents selected worldwide. By meaning direct contact, I'm assuming the name of the person, his personal contacts like cell phone and email and messengers. SPIN is completely GDPR compliant, and we are very strict on following the rules and laws. If you would like to know more about SPIN, please contact us. And as I said, with SPIN membership, you also get Investment Migration Council's certification program as a present, so it's a good time to join now. And it's a good combination actually to visit a Bangkok event, meet investors and agents in person, and besides join SPIN so that you can see all the market there, all the contacts. During our event, we also have online scheduling appointment system. So when you join us as an exhibitor, we learn more about your projects, and we match you with our investors and agents. So we, from the very beginning, we start to communicate with our visitors and suggest them to meet your company representatives, to show them your project. So we are trying to do the matchmaking on the event. So you are not on your own just sitting and waiting for visitors to come. But online scheduling appointment system, it is included in the exhibitor package, but it's only for those who are attending, right? However, SPIN, it's a global platform, and it's available for the year ahead, and you will receive an access and receive inquiries, and you will have contacts of agents all the year round. So it's just like an extension of our online scheduling appointment system. If you are interested in joining Bangkok event, I would suggest you to write in chat or just give us a direct inquiry. You can see the email on the screen. We will first learn more about your company, your products. We will say if we have clients in Thailand for you, if your project may be interested, because we are interested in your success first of all, and if we have some potential investors for you, we will offer you to participate. It's 1 month left before the event. We are actively preparing for it, and we will help you with everything. If you will need a visa, if you will need support with accommodation, so my team will be happy to assist. We will wait for your inquiries then. I hope that this information was useful for you. Please write if you will need further data, facts, figures. Our analytics will be really happy to share. We'll be happy to be in contact with you for more discussions, and hopefully see you in Bangkok in 1 month, or see you as a member in SPIN very soon. Again, thank you so much for watching us. Sawadee ka, and see you in Thailand. Goodbye.